Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will talk about the investment of 10,000 INR in Reliance Industries turned into 4.57 crores. This is the official website of the Reliance. So Dhirubhai H. Ambani is the founder of Reliance Industries Limited. So in 1957 they started the business, yarn trading business in Mumbai. And 1997 they issued the IPO. Then in 1980 to 82 the Reliance set up the first petrochemical and polyester filament yarn plant. In 2000 to 2002 they started the global energy and refining map. They started the telecom revolution in 2002. They started the retail business in 2006. And these are the Reliance Industries businesses: energy, petrochemicals, retail, digital services, new energy and new materials, and media and entertainment. The Reliance Industries IPO was issued of 1997. The initial investment of 10,000, you get 1,000 shares. That is 10 rupees per share each. And the face value is 10. In 1980, Reliance issued 3:5 bonus. You will get 600 shares. Total number of shares you will get 1,600, and face value remains 10. In 1983, Reliance issued a 6:10 bonus. You will get 480 shares. Total number of shares will come at 2,080, and the face value remains 10. In 1997, Reliance issued 1:1 bonus. So you will total shares you will get 4,160, and the face value remains 10. In 2009, Reliance issued 1:1 bonus. The total shares you will get 8,320, and the face value remains 10. In 2017, Reliance issued 1:1 bonus. The total shares you will get 16,640, and the face value remains 10. In 2024, Reliance issued 1:1 bonus. The total number of shares you will get 33,280, and the face value remains 10. In 2023, Reliance issued the spin-off of Jio Financial Services. So every share you hold in your demat account, you will get 1 share. So the ratio of demerger for Jio Finance is 1:1. For each share held in Reliance Industries as on record date, that is July 20, they will get 1 Jio Financial shares. 16,640 shares. You will get another 16,640 shares in Jio Financial Services. So total, the face value remains 10. The current trading price of Reliance Industries is 1,221.50. The total shares you held is 33,280 as of today. So if anyone invested, they will get total amount of 4,65,1,520. This is for only for Reliance Industries. So for JF Financial Services, current trading price 305.25. So total shares you held is 16,640. Okay, the total amount is 50,79,360. Total return for Jio Financial Services and Reliance Industries is 4,57,30,880. In 2024, Reliance Industries gave the final dividend of 10 rupees per share. The total number of shares is 33,280 into 10. So the final amount is 3,32,800 plus dividend every year. The next year dividend will be increased. So can I get the return like this? If you invest today in Reliance Industries, you will not get return like this, because Reliance grow as a large cap company with a return of minus 6.24%. In 5 years, the last 5 years, the absolute return of 59.90%. The average return for 5 years is 11.98% only. Keynotes. Yearly, the few companies get given the return like this: Infosys, Wipro, Titan, etc. were the few multi-baggers. If you want to the same kind of return, do some research and invest in 20 to 25 stocks. Invest in early stage and hold it for the next 20 years. Then any fundamental with the stock, sold immediately and hold other stocks. And that will give the more possibility to give the good return like this. And that is about the video, friends. Press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and follow me for more financial videos.